Welcome back to the TH Detailing YouTube channel, and in this video we're joined with the 2023 Triumph Tiger 900 adventure motorbike. This bike is booked in for paint protection film and ceramic coatings to completely protect the entire bike. These bikes are over £15,000 new and used are still above 5 figures. The customer wanted this bike protected against stone chips, scratches and everything else that everyday riding has to throw at it. Stay tuned to watch us completely clean, decontaminate and protect this motorbike with paint protection film and ceramic coatings. So that's all the paint protection film installed to the Triumph. It is now time to install ceramic coatings to the remainder of the bike. These ceramic coatings aren't going to give it the scratch and stone chip resistance that the paint protection film will, but it's also going to increase the gloss levels, it's going to protect the paintwork from the environmental hazards, and it's going to make cleaning the bike much easier. So that's the paint protection film and the ceramic coat. It's completely installed on the Triumph Tiger 900. As you can see, it looks absolutely flawless. So this bike's now protected from scratches and stone chips with the paint protection film, and the ceramic coatings are going to make the bike a lot easier to clean. The customer can now enjoy this bike a lot more. You're going to spend more time riding it, less time cleaning it, and generally looking cool. If you'd like your motorbike protected with either paint protection film or ceramic coatings, get in touch with us here at TH Detailing. Our number is 01384 929 075, or you can visit our website at www.thdetailing.co.uk. If you like this video, drop a like, give us a subscribe, and drop us a comment with what video you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.